Have you ever wondered why some people can spot a suspicious message instantly, while others click it before even reading the second line? Or changed one password and suddenly felt like your entire digital life had been upgraded to Fort Knox? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Hackers don't need you to be completely careless. They only need you to make the right mistake at the right moment. And that's why today we're exposing 10 cybersecurity lessons attackers would rather you never understand. Because once you know these principles, you're much harder to manipulate. If you enjoy cybersecurity, ethical hacking, digital privacy, and practical security education, smash that like button, comment which security lesson you're most interested in, and subscribe for more cybersecurity content. If you're interested in going beyond basic security tips and actually developing cybersecurity skills, I've also placed a beginner-friendly ethical hacking and cybersecurity course on Udemy in the description. It's designed to help learners understand concepts such as networking, Linux, security fundamentals, vulnerability assessment, and ethical testing. Practice only in authorized environments and legal cybersecurity labs. The Udemy link is in the description. And now let's continue with the lessons attackers would rather you never learn. Number 10. Your password is not your only defense. Many people think cybersecurity starts and ends with a password. It doesn't. Imagine an attacker somehow obtains your password through a data breach or phishing attack. If that's the only protection on your account, the attacker may have everything they need. That's why security professionals recommend adding another authentication layer. Multi-factor authentication can require a second verification step before access is granted. Your goal isn't to create an impossible system. It's to create enough security layers that stealing one piece of information isn't enough. Practical move. Open your most important accounts today and check whether MFA is enabled. Start with your email because it can often be used to reset other accounts. Number 9. Your email account is extremely valuable. Here's something many people overlook. Your email account may be more valuable to an attacker than your social media account. Why? Because your email can contain password reset links, financial notifications, private conversations, documents, and access to other services. If someone controls your primary email, they may attempt to reset passwords on other accounts. So protect your email like it's the master key to your digital life. Use a unique password. Enable MFA. Review recovery options. Check active sessions. And remove devices you don't recognize. Number 8. Small pieces of information can create a big profile. You post your birthday, your workplace, your favorite football team, your pet's name, your school, your location. Individually, these details might seem harmless. Together, they can reveal a surprising amount about you. Attackers may use publicly available information to make phishing messages more convincing or guess answers to security questions. This is why cybersecurity isn't only about protecting passwords. It's also about controlling what information you expose. Practical challenge. Open your social media profile and look at it like a stranger would. Ask yourself, what could someone learn about me in 5 minutes? You might be surprised. Number 7. Attackers love urgency. One of the most powerful weapons in social engineering isn't malware. It's pressure. Your account will be deleted, your payment failed, your package is waiting. Your boss needs this immediately. The message creates urgency, so you react before thinking. Here's the rule. Urgency should make you slower, not faster. If a message demands immediate action, stop. Don't click the provided link. Don't call an unknown number. Don't send verification codes. Verify the request independently using an official app, website, or trusted contact. Number 6. Software updates can close real security holes. That update notification you've been ignoring for 3 weeks? It might be more important than you think. Software updates aren't only about new features. They can contain security patches designed to fix vulnerabilities. Attackers actively look for systems running outdated software because known weaknesses can remain exploitable. Make updating part of your routine. Update your operating system. Update your browser. Update your applications. And remove software you no longer need. If you want to strengthen your personal cybersecurity setup, I've included a recommended cybersecurity and privacy book in the Amazon resources linked in the description. It's useful for learning security fundamentals and developing better digital safety habits. The Amazon link is in the description. If you purchase through my affiliate link, I may receive a small commission at no additional cost to you. Number 5. Your devices can reveal more than you think. Your phone or computer doesn't have to display a giant warning saying you've been hacked for something to be wrong. Unusual behavior can sometimes provide useful clues. For example, unexpected applications appear. Battery usage suddenly changes. Unknown devices appear on your accounts. Browser settings change unexpectedly. Security notifications appear that you don't recognize. One strange event doesn't automatically mean you've been compromised, but several unexplained changes happening together deserve investigation. Practical move. Review your installed applications, active sessions, permissions, and recent security notifications. Don't panic. Collect evidence first. Number 4. Public Wi-Fi doesn't mean free security. Free Wi-Fi can be convenient, but convenience shouldn't automatically equal trust. Attackers can create malicious or misleading hotspots designed to trick users into connecting. Once connected to an untrusted network, you should be especially careful with sensitive activities. Avoid entering passwords or financial information on suspicious networks, especially when you cannot verify who operates the hotspot. Whenever possible, use trusted networks. Keep your device updated. Use encrypted connections. Avoid sensitive transactions on networks you don't trust. And remember, HTTPS protects the connection to a website, but it doesn't magically make a malicious website legitimate. Number 3. Your old accounts can become security risks. Think about all the accounts you've created over the years. Old email addresses, gaming accounts, forums, shopping websites, apps you haven't touched in years. You may have forgotten about them. Attackers haven't necessarily forgotten that old accounts exist. If an old account uses a reused password, it could become another pathway into your digital life. Practical challenge. Make a list of accounts you no longer use. Delete unnecessary accounts where possible. For accounts you must keep, use unique passwords and enable MFA when available. Reducing your digital footprint can reduce unnecessary exposure. Number 2. Backups can destroy an attacker's leverage. Imagine opening your computer and discovering your important files are suddenly inaccessible. Documents, photos, projects, everything appears locked. This is where backups become incredibly important. A good backup strategy can help you recover from situations such as ransomware, hardware failure, accidental deletion, or corrupted files. Don't keep your only backup connected to the same device all the time. Consider maintaining separate copies and periodically checking that your backups can actually be restored. A backup you have never tested is a backup you shouldn't completely trust. Number 1. Social engineering can be more powerful than technical hacking. Here's the lesson attackers would really prefer you never understand. Sometimes they don't need to defeat your technology. They try to convince you to defeat it for them. They may impersonate technical support, your employer, a friend, a delivery company, a bank, someone you trust. The objective is to make you reveal information, click a link, approve a login, or transfer money. That's social engineering. And the best defense isn't an expensive security tool. It's verification. If someone makes an unusual request, verify their identity using another trusted communication channel. Before you leave this video, do 3 things. First, enable MFA on your most important account. Second, review your active login sessions. Third, change one reused password into a unique password. That's it. You don't need to become a cybersecurity expert today. You just need to make your digital life slightly harder to attack. Then repeat that process tomorrow. The biggest advantage attackers have isn't always advanced technology. Sometimes it's simply knowing that people are busy, distracted, curious, and in a hurry. But now you know what to look for. You know that suspicious urgency deserves verification. You know that your email deserves serious protection. You know that old accounts, outdated software, weak passwords, and excessive personal information can increase your risk. And most importantly, you know that cybersecurity is built through habits. If this video taught you something valuable, smash that like button. Comment. Which of these 10 lessons are you going to act on first? Subscribe for more practical cybersecurity, ethical hacking, Linux, privacy, and digital safety content. And don't forget to check the Amazon cybersecurity resources and Udemy courses, linked in the description if you want to continue learning. Share this video with someone who thinks cybersecurity is only about having a strong password. Stay curious, stay ethical, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next cybersecurity lesson.